Hello friend, welcome to Grepsi Official. Myself Ram Kumar Kuswa and I am the architect of the embedded systems, IoT technology and the cloud computing. So today we are going to start the lecture 2. In that we will learn how to run the C program in the window machine and how to run the C program in the Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Okay, so for that we need some software. These are given below, that is VS Code or Notepad++ or MinGW software. So VS Code and the Notepad++ are the alternative option to write the C code in the window machine, and you can also use the VS Code to write the code and to run the C programs. Okay, so we will talk about the how to install the software and how to configure the software. So I will guide you step by step so that you will learn how to configure and how we will install the softwares. So after that I will guide you how to set up the environment variable for the C programming language, and in the last we will write a hello world program so that you will learn how to write your first program in the C language. Okay, so all these software download links are given in the video description. You can check it out and you can download the softwares. So these are the links. You can also type these links in your URL, browser URL, and you can download directly. Now we'll talk about the software installation. So the VS Code and the Notepad++ are the simple installation things, and you can easily install the Visual Studio Code and the Notepad++ easily. Now I will talk about the MinGW software installations. This is the GCC compiler related programs. By using that one we can run our C programming language code in the window machines. So you have to double click on the software, you have to install, and you have to continue, and this is the default directory for this installation. I have already installed, so I am just here the reinstalling. So you have the install option will come here for you. So I am just reinstalling so that I can show you how to install the software. In the first time it will take a lot of time for you, so you have to wait till installation or till downloading this software. Some packages are downloading here, so you have to wait for that for the downloading process. When it's down, the downloading is completed, then the continue button will appear, so that you have to click on that button. So I am skipping this section here so that I will continue. So I have to click on the continue button. When you click on the continue, this window will open. You have to click on the basic setup button. After that you have to select the MinGW32 GCC G++. When you click this one and this option will appear, so you have to click mark for the installation. After that you have to click on the installation, and after that you have to click on the apply changes. I have already done, so that option is not appearing here, so but you have to click on the apply changes. When you click on the apply changes, then installation process will start. It will take also sometimes, so you have to wait for that. Okay, when the installation process will complete, then the close button option will come. Then you have to click on the close button, and when you click on the close button, then your GCC compiler installed successfully. We can say MinGW software is installed completely in your window machines. So after that you have to set up the environment variable. So how to set up the environment variable, now I will guide you for that. Now we will talk about the how to set up the environment variable for the C language. So click on the search bar of the window, type this PC, right click on that, property, click on the advanced setting, click environment variable, click on the path, edit, after that new, and here you have to paste this path. So where you will find this path, you have to cross check this path here in the C directory, and here the MinGW. In the MinGW you have to go in the bin section folder, and here you will find the GCC compiler. Okay, so you have to copy this path, Control C, and you have to paste it here. Okay, so I have already done, so I am deleting here. Okay, I have already done here. So after that you have to click on OK. After that you have to click on OK here, and you have to click on OK. So that's it. This is the environment setup for the C language. Now we have to check our program, C program is running in the Windows machine or not. Okay, now I will guide you how to run your first C program in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so you have to make a folder here. You can give any name here. Okay, this folder is empty right now, so click this folder, right click on this folder and open with VS Code. You can also open by using this open folder section. Okay, here you have to make a new file. I'm giving the hello.c. okay, I'm just copy pasting this hello world programs. Okay, I will explain you everything regarding this program, so that you will learn how this program is working internally. When you complete this one, then save these programs. Okay, click on the view section and click on the output, so that you will get the output here. Okay, after that go in the main window section here and click on the right button and run the code. So congratulations, your first program Hello World is successfully run here. So we can say we are able to run our C program language code in the Visual Studio Code. Now you can write your C programming language code in the Visual Studio in well manner, and you can run the C program code here also. This is the environment variable setup related thing, so that you will also check it out here. And this is the Hello World program. You can write it in the Visual Studio Code. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are the new visitor on my YouTube channel, then subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, so that you will get the new update regarding this, and you will also get the new update regarding the job opportunities. Okay, thank you for watching my video.
Yes, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।